Pang-apat nga raw ang Pilipinas sa madalas na nagsesearch ng cyberbullying sa internet ayon sa pag-aaral ng search engine na Google.
Now only gets to see and talk to his classmates online as schools shift to distance learning amid the COVID-19 pandemic. But there are times when conversations in their group chat turn to insults.